Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our channel Study Time. Here today we are going to discuss chemistry, and the topic of our discussion is the oxidation of ketones. Alright, here I am going to tell you a special trick through which you can easily oxidize ketones. Now let's take a ketone. If I take acetone, which is also called as propanone, C double bond O and CH3 on both sides. When we oxidize it in the presence of an oxygen and in the presence of potassium, chromium oxide, and an acid which we can take is H2SO4. Alright, and then we oxidize it, it will result in a cleavage from one side. You just have to remember that you have to break the bond either from this side or either from this side, as both the sides are equal. So I am going to do cleavage from one side and it will result into an acid. This has 2 carbon and this part has 1 carbon. 1 carbon forms an acid, is formic acid when it is oxidized, and the other part has 2 carbon, it will form acetic acid. Alright, now let's solve it. That will form is CH3, C double bond O, OH. One is formed is acetic acid. Okay. One formed is the one form of the acetic acid and the other formed will be the formic acid, which has the formula C double bond O H on both sides. Now if we consider another ketone, which is butanone, which has the formula CH3 C double bond O CH2 here and CH3. Now here we have to do cleavage from the one side which has less number of hydrogen atom. As this side has less number of hydrogen atom, so we are going to break the bond from this side, not from this side. This has 2 carbon atom and this also has 2 carbon atom. It means by oxidation it will form is acetic acid, 2 acetic acid it will form. This is an easy method by which you can easily find your answer without remembering the products. You just have to remember that you have to break from the side which has the least number of hydrogen atom. As in case of acetone, we didn't need to remember that which side we need to break the bond, because both the side had same number of carbon atom. We can break the bond from one side and the other side. One side will form formic acid and the other side, which has 2 carbon atom, can form acetic acid with 2 carbons, and this with 1 carbon. This will help you to oxidize the ketones easily and remember your products. Thank you for watching. Please do share our video and like and subscribe our channel.